Hello viewers, this is Rash Ravi Shankar with the 18th episode of Friday Poems uploaded by Viewmaster. The poet we are introducing today is Reena Prasad. She lives in Sharjah, UAE, and her poems have been published in several anthologies and journals. She is the Destiny Poets UK Poet of the Year for 2014 and one of the editors of the significant anthology which was released in 2015. She has won several awards like the World Union of Poets Poetry Competition 2016 and As You Like It International Poetry Contest. She also won the Rural International Prize for Poetry in 2018. She is a finalist in the Stephen Day Bias Poetry Contest in 2021. Today she will be reading two poems, So What and The Iceberg of Memories. So over to Reena Prasad to read her poems.
Hello, this is Reena reading from Sharjah. Thank you, Ravi Shankar Rash, for including me in this Friday readings. My first poem is titled as So What? He points imperceptibly to cigarette butts lying around. The girl blows soft puffs into the sunset. I say, So what? He looks at the group, the boys with long locks, the girls with gleaming navel studs, and he looks at me. I shrug. So what? He frowns when at the awards night the movie star kisses the lady, his wife looking on. His eyes want me to join in their disapproval parties. I am cool. My eyes say, So what? He is upset that what upsets him doesn't upset me. He goes off and has an affair to put a stop to that kind of nonchalance. He reminds me to be upset since we are married. So what is my anthem now? I am a free country. And my next poem is titled The Iceberg of Memories. On a bed lies a memory of her bones sans flesh, her teeth white, deathly so, her skin the color of asphyxiated dusk, while a woman muttering to herself moves aimlessly through the rooms. I sat on the edge, afraid to touch living bones. Then you put out a cold hand, and the ice in it struck deep. It made my skeleton shiver, but the warmth in your feeble voice wouldn't let me go. And we hugged, too young to know that time was afraid and fleeing from us. A few days on the iceberg of death, and you sank below. I float on, carrying the chill from your last breath and the imprint of your skeletal palm on my knee, and the same woman, still aimlessly distraught, wanders in me. Thank you so much.